This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, July the 12th. I'm Michael Groff. A minimal chance of showers and storms today as most of the monsoon moisture is east of the valley. But starting tomorrow and continuing through next week, moisture comes back in a big way and a pretty good bet at showers and storms this weekend. Cooler temperatures, higher humidity levels, maybe some locally heavy rain also. Let's talk about it as we look outside this morning at 4:40 a.m. Taking a look toward Camelback Mountain. The sun is slowly coming up. We've got some clouds out there right now. 88 degrees at Sky Harbor. The dew point's still at 61. Relative humidity, 41%. The winds are light. The barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning, most of us are in the 80s at this hour. Satellite shows the bulk of the clouds in southeastern Arizona and the far eastern part of the state. Still a few thunderstorms going on across northwest Mexico. The watch warning map, pretty quiet out here in the west. Heat advisories in places like Kansas City, St. Louis, Des Moines, Dubuque, Iowa, up into parts of Wisconsin. Also some flood advisories in Wisconsin and Michigan this morning. A couple of flash flood warnings there as well with some heavy rain. On the convective outlook, got a slight risk of severe storms to include Lincoln, Omaha, Des Moines, Milwaukee, Chicago, Detroit, and Cleveland today. The marginal risk extends from eastern Colorado through the northeastern part of the country. And once again, we're in the green here in the southwest, and we'll certainly talk about our thunderstorm chances and everything else related to our weather right now as we take a look at the models and see what's going on. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. High pressure sits over southern Arizona near the international borders, so the flow aloft today is actually more westerly or southwesterly. So somewhat drier air and less favorable steering flow to bring thunderstorms into the valley will be in place this afternoon. So what that means is a few clouds around through the day today, but otherwise mostly sunny skies. And should have highs around 102 to 105 today. Now, there will still be a chance of showers and storms in the eastern part of Arizona, and our chance of rain in the valley isn't zero, but I would say not really worth mentioning, probably in the single-digit percentile range. So we'll keep the forecast dry tonight. Just partly cloudy skies and lows mainly in the 80s. Tomorrow, high pressure begins shifting north and some of the moisture will start to flow back toward the west. Still think here in the valley only a slight chance of a shower or storm tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. Highs once again 103 to 106. The better chances of storms in the mountains north and east of Phoenix. Friday, the moisture continues to increase slowly, and our chances of storms should increase to about 20% in the afternoon and evening hours. Once again, more numerous storms in the mountains north and east of Phoenix, the southeastern part of the state, and across northwest Mexico. On Saturday, the moisture levels really start to pick up as an inverted trough moves across northwest Mexico and traverses the southern border of the state. Scattered showers and thunderstorms here in the deserts, most numerous in the afternoons and evenings. But I would say our chance of getting wet here in the valley, about 1 in 3. Temperatures should be down with partly sunny skies. We should have highs around 100 to 103 with those higher humidity values. Sunday is probably our best chance of seeing any precipitation in the forecast period. It's going to be one of those days where it's mostly cloudy. Now, it's not going to rain all day, but we do have the risk of it. I'd say a 50-50 chance of showers and storms on Sunday, most numerous in the afternoons and evenings. Now, with the added cloud cover and chances of rain, I think the thermodynamics that are normally in place here won't be with us as much. We won't see as much sun. So the chance of severe storms is probably a little bit lower, but any storms that do develop would be capable of producing some very heavy rain. Look at the precipitable water values on Sunday afternoon coming off the GFS. Values around 2.2 inches. If that verifies, that's as high as we ever see atmospheric moisture values get here in southern Arizona. This would be unusually high even for places like Florida or the deep south. So you know it's going to be muggy. Look at these dew points Sunday afternoon too. Values upwards around 70 or so. I mean, that's just very, very humid air. So again, we'll say a 50-50 chance, highs upper 90s, maybe getting to around 102 Sunday afternoon. It might not even get that warm. Monday, still looking at partly sunny skies and a pretty good chance, I'd say a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. The better chances, of course, in the mountains, but just about everyone statewide has at least the possibility of seeing some precipitation. And again, locally heavy rain will be the biggest threat. Highs still only about 100. Then on Tuesday, we'll dry out slightly, but still I think we're going to be in a medium-grade monsoon pattern with 30% chances of afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms, more typical stuff. Highs 101 to 104. And then this is a week from today, Wednesday, the 19th of July. High pressure sitting over Colorado. Deep southeasterly flow should continue. And those daily chances of showers and storms probably still a little bit above climatological averages and highs below normal. Still around 102 to 105. Really about the same thing on Thursday, the 20th, maybe a little less of a chance of storms, more typical monsoon type stuff. And same thing for the end of the forecast period. Friday, the 21st of July, southeasterly flow more or less in place and high temperatures around 103 to 106. Looking at temperatures through the period off the European ensemble, I think these temperatures are probably a little bit too low. Maybe Sunday and Monday we stay below the 100-degree mark, but I don't think we're going to have, what is this showing, 7-8 days of below 100-degree temps? Probably not. I don't think I've ever seen that in July. Nonetheless, below normal temperatures do seem to be likely. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video comes back here tomorrow morning. Thank you so much, as always, for watching. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe to us. That way, every time we post a brand new video, you'll get the notifications. Stay cool, drink plenty of water, be safe out there, and have a great Wednesday.